Here we are in Ready to Fly, our new sample app that we have created to showcase how to build Slack apps that integrate with Salesforce. From Ready to Fly, you can create, approve, reject, and view travel requests. Those travel requests are stored in a custom object in Salesforce. For instance, here I have a travel request that I have created to go to Madrid in March. So first thing that we need to do is to authorize with Salesforce. When we open the app, we are going to see this button, and this is needed because we have implemented the user-to-user authentication flow so that we can perform actions in Salesforce on behalf of the authorized user. I'm going to authorize. This worked because I was already logged into Salesforce. If you are not logged in, you are going to be prompted for the username and password for your Salesforce org. So now I'm able to see in Slack the 3 travel requests that I have created, these 3 here, and I'm able to see if I'm a manager and I have some travel requests to review, these 2 here, I can see them also in the app home. From the app home, I can view the details of a specific request, and I can reject or approve the request. Let's approve this one. Let's take a look at Salesforce. And there it is. Our travel request has been approved. If I go back to the view in which I can see the travel request I have created, I can also create a new travel request from here. So let's say that we want to go to Hawaii. From Hawaii to New Zealand. I'm going to just pick the default values that come up with the modal. I'm going to select that the trips is from the 17th to the 24th of February. It costs $3,000, and I can select an approver. These managers are retrieved from Salesforce, concretely from the manager field of my user object and the next managers in the chain. So we are going to add a description. And we're going to submit. The travel request has been successfully created, and now if I go to Salesforce and I take a look at the list, I see that there is a new travel request created by myself. If I refresh this, we are going to see that the travel request now appears there. There is another option to access this create new travel request functionality, which is from a Slack shortcut. So let's say that here in my conversation, I want to launch the shortcut. The way to launch the shortcut is clicking on the plus button, and then here you can click on the shortcut and create a new travel request as well. So now let's say that we change the status of the travel request that I have created. Let's say that now I'm Maria Chang. I'm going to emulate this with my user, but let's say that only Maria, who is the approver, has the ability to change this field and to approve my trip. So what is going to happen is that as I am the person who created the travel request, I'm going to receive a message saying that my travel request has been approved. On the other hand, if a user for which you are the manager creates a travel request and you need to pay attention to that travel request because it needs your review, you are going to receive a message like this one, in which you will be able to approve or reject the travel request without going out from Slack. Thank you so much for watching, and you can find this app at github.com/trailheadapps/ready to fly. Bye bye.